got the Foamposite All-Star for you guys in the Vast Gray, black and Vast Gray colorway. So this is a pretty special Foamposite. Off the bat, I really like what Nike is doing with this DIY stuff. They've included like stencils with like numerous logos, like including your checks in different sizes, your swooshes, the Nike logo right here, as well as the Nike logo and the new Nike logo that's coming. That's like the box logo with the swoosh. I think that it's really cool that Nike is doing these kind of things because it really allows you and encourages customization on their shoes. It really allows like uniqueness to the sneaker game, which I really love right now. Thus comes the All-Star Foamposite, as you can see, with the interchangeable checks. Comes with 4 different type of swooshes. One that's like a almost like a pearlescent black, a chrome one, glow in the dark, and a chrome swoosh that you could switch it up. So yeah, I think I'm not a big foam fan, but this is a pretty special silhouette in my opinion. And I think Nike has been doing, as of late, a good job with the Foamposites, coming out with unique ways to make the foams interesting again. So let's start by looking at the outsole. This is a Foamposite Pro, since it does have the swoosh and you got to change it up. So the traction pattern's a little bit different. You got your, as you can see, your pods there with herringbone traction pattern, the swoosh in white. You got the carbon fiber plate in black right there. Check out the midsole, still get a little hint of that icy sole, as you can see. The upper part of the shoe has like a full Foamposite material upper, which is really nice. And then you got like a Vast Gray color, and then you got kind of like a 3M like material throughout the entire eyelids of the shoe, which is pretty nice. Mini swoosh on there, and then obviously you got your changeable swoosh that you can change. I'm not going to show you guys, I'm just going to show you guys the little packet here. I'm not going to open it up since it is like a very desirable shoe. I'm going to keep it in the bag. So yeah, the theme throughout the All-Star week is pretty much like interchangeable swooshes, a lot of like DIY stuff, which is pretty cool. Nike Air on the back right there. Nice little leather, tumbled leather pull tab, which is a really nice addition to the shoe. I know it's very minimal, but it's still something that I really love. Circular laces on here, as well as your mesh tongue with your tumbled leather detailing on the sock liner right there. So that's pretty much it for the All-Star Foams. Let me know what you guys think on the comments below of this shoe. Now it's time to check out what these guys look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the Foamposite Pro All-Stars look like on feet. And like I mentioned earlier, you guys can switch on the swooshes, but I just left them black just so that you see what the shoe looks like. Very minor detail of the shoe, so I didn't feel like the need to show you guys. As long as you guys see the shoe and how they look on the feet, I think they're pretty cool. I know I'm not a big foam guy, but at least the gray, it's pretty neutral of a colorway. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and so that you won't miss our next video. And we'll catch you guys on the next review. Peace.